Welcome to this morning meditation for positivity and motivation. This practice is a chance for you to center yourself, set your intentions, and create an energized, positive mindset for the day ahead. Let's take a few moments together to ground ourselves, clear our minds, and embrace the positivity that today has to offer. Please find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and let your hands rest gently in your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out, releasing any tension or sleepiness. Breathing exercise to center and focus. Let's begin by focusing on our breath, anchoring ourselves in the present moment. Take a slow, deep breath in, and gently exhale, feeling your shoulders soften. Feel the air filling your lungs as you inhale. And as you exhale, imagine yourself letting go of any stress or tension. One more deep breath in and out. Let your breathing find a natural, gentle rhythm, allowing each breath to relax you even further. With every inhale, feel a sense of calm entering your body, and with every exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you, setting intentions for positivity and motivation. Now, let's set our intention for the day ahead. Repeat each phrase silently or aloud, letting these words resonate within you. Today, I welcome positivity and motivation into my life. I am grateful for this new day and the endless possibilities it holds. I am capable, strong, and ready to embrace each moment with joy and purpose. Allow these words to fill your mind and your heart. Imagine the energy of these intentions flowing through you, filling you with light and clarity. Visualization for a positive day. Now, let's take a moment to visualize the day ahead. Picture yourself moving through your morning with a calm and confident spirit. Imagine a smile on your face, a lightness in your heart, and a sense of excitement for what's to come. See yourself completing tasks with ease and confidence, connecting with others with kindness, and embracing each moment with gratitude. Visualize the energy and positivity radiating from you, drawing others toward your calm and motivated spirit. Hold on to this image and know that you have the power to create a positive day. Affirmations for positivity and strength. Now, let's repeat some affirmations to reinforce this positive, motivated mindset. With each affirmation, feel its truth settle within you. I am worthy of happiness, success, and fulfillment. I greet each challenge with a calm, focused mind. Today, I choose to be positive and embrace joy. I am motivated to make today a meaningful day. As you say each affirmation, visualize yourself radiating positivity and strength. Feel these words empowering you, giving you the confidence to move forward with optimism, releasing doubts, and embracing self-belief. Now, let's take a moment to let go of any doubts or negative thoughts. Imagine each worry, fear, or doubt you may be carrying, and envision them as clouds in the sky. With each exhale, see these clouds drifting away, getting smaller and smaller until they disappear. As you let go, allow self-belief to replace those doubts. Repeat these affirmations to affirm your belief in yourself. I release self-doubt and embrace self-belief. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my journey. I am ready to embrace the positive experiences today has to offer. Allow yourself to feel lighter, as though a weight has been lifted. Know that you have released what you don't need and welcomed positivity and self-belief in its place. Motivating intentions for the day. Now, let's set some motivating intentions to carry with you throughout the day. As you repeat these intentions, feel them energize you, preparing you to make the most of each moment. I am ready to face today with motivation and resilience. I trust in my ability to accomplish my goals with ease. I am open to new opportunities and willing to grow. These intentions are like seeds, and as you go through your day, they will grow into positive thoughts, actions, and experiences, fostering gratitude and joy. Take a few moments to reflect on the things you are grateful for today. Gratitude helps us open our hearts and invite joy into our lives. Think of one thing that brings you happiness, and as you do, allow a gentle smile to come to your face. Repeat these affirmations of gratitude. I am grateful for the gift of this new day. I appreciate all the blessings in my life, big and small. I am thankful for the love, peace, and joy that surrounds me. Allow this feeling of gratitude to fill you with warmth, setting the tone for a joyful day. Embracing calm and inner peace, take a moment to affirm the calm and peace that lies within you. Imagine yourself carrying this peaceful energy with you, like a light that glows from within, bringing comfort to you throughout the day. Repeat these calming affirmations. I am calm, centered, and at peace with myself. I carry inner peace with me wherever I go. I choose to remain calm in all situations. Know that this inner peace is always within you, grounding you and guiding you no matter what challenges you may face. Energizing your body and mind. Now, take a few deep breaths to energize your body and mind. With each inhale, feel a surge of energy entering your body, and with each exhale, release any lingering tension. Picture yourself moving through your morning with purpose and vitality. Feel your mind waking up, becoming clear and focused. Let this energy flow through you, preparing you to take on the day. Repeat these affirmations. My body is strong, my mind is sharp, and my spirit is alive. I am energized, motivated, and ready to make today amazing. I am capable of achieving my goals and creating a fulfilling day. Let this energy and motivation guide you as you move forward. Final affirmations and closing. As we close this meditation, let's repeat a few final affirmations to seal in this positive, motivated energy. Today, I choose happiness, gratitude, and positivity. I am ready to embrace the opportunities and challenges ahead. I am motivated, strong, and confident. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself fully present, fully awake, and fully ready to take on the day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, motivated, and positive. Carry these affirmations and intentions with you, and remember that you have the power to shape today into a beautiful, meaningful day. Thank you for spending this time with me. Go forward with confidence and joy, and may today be filled with positivity, purpose, and success.